shoot it. Yeah. Can I? What's the range on there? Perfect.
He's going down.
Is he down?
Mm-hmm. He's on the other side of the brush. Oh, he was fucking bloody on the other side.
Yeah, it was all chest. It was a fucked up rack, wasn't it?
Yeah, it is. I think it was a drop time, but I couldn't tell on the one side. Not like he was heavy,
Yeah.
but not.
The other side was all.
Kind of tall, and then the other side looked like it just went up and forked.
Yeah. Sweet.
So do you want to go get him?
Up to you. What do you think, Adam?
Good shooting, bud.
Slammed a hog.
Hey, you're 30.
Time to open her up. Up to you if you want to wait for something for you now.
He should be right about there.
And
Pretty good guide.
there he is.
Even in the dark. Went right to him.
Yeah. He does have a drop.
time.
Yeah.
Sweet. Holy shit. Fucking cool.
No shit.
I thought you had something. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's an old buck.
That's better than I thought it was.
Way better.
That's
God damn,
cool.
why didn't you let me shoot this cocksucker?
I asked you.
God, that is nice.
That is cool. That looks way better than the
I wonder how
frickin'.
old he is. Oh, he's got to be an old son of a bitch on downhill side.
Holy cow, dude.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You shot the 20-pointer! Holy fuck!
Thanks, dude. That's fucking...
21! There's one back here.
Oh my god.
Oh,
That's a way better buck than I thought it was gonna be.
we gotta go show Dwayne. Oh, isn't that fucking cool?
I'm gonna have to get a shoulder mount on that.
Oh, fuck yeah.
That's...
God, why didn't I shoot this fucker? I just thought it went up and stood. Holy fuck buckets, dude.
Oh, wow.
Look at that thing. Fucker's nice.
Yeah.
Guided hunt. Adam White.
Oh.
Dan White wouldn't ever be able to fucking shoot something like this. Yeah, there's just so much trash on that. Oh, yeah. That might have been the one you seen last year that had all that trash.
Yeah.
He's an old buck, gotta be.
Oh, he's big body, too.
He's on the downhill.
Wow. That is cool.
Let me go get my phone.
Here, I got mine.
Alright, there. Turn his nose a little bit the other way. There you go. There's a good one.
Dude.
You can see a lot of them points.
I can't believe it.
No, I can't either. 20 fucking point buck. You ever shoot another one? Probably not. Now I gotta get my phone.
Oh.
Yeah. Yep. All right. All right. Sounds good. Bye.
Dude, this is the coolest buck. Big old scar on his back.
Just nuts.
Yeah, that one on the back is almost like a drop tine too, isn't it? Almost like
This one here? Yeah, I didn't even count that one. Right. Just a little nipple almost. A little nipple. I think it'd be like, what, an inch count?
yeah, I don't know. This drop tine is so sweet.
Yeah. I thought it had one. I was like, he's heavy. I knew he was heavy and he had 4 points on 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I thought he had. I thought he was an 8-pointer. And then went up and I thought he split right here.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Isn't that nuts though? Even we looked at it on the camera and I was like, fuck it,
Yeah,
you
you
know?
couldn't even tell on the camera.
Yeah.
He was zoomed in pretty good.
Yeah. But I was like,
There's
nah,
Wayne.
you know.
Nuts.
I'm glad I brought my camera up for that. I about didn't. I was like, ah.
Oh.